Hello my friends, this is the video that I made on ASST stock just 9 days ago, to be precise on November 18th of this year, when the price of this asset was, as you can see right here, at $1.04 at regular hours and at $1.02 at pre-market hours. And at this point, my main assumption was that if this asset breaks this sloping line as the range of resistance, and if it doesn't break the level of about $1 mark, in this case, we have decent chances to see its next uptrend. And guys, take a look right here. We were at this point, and since I made my previous video, this asset broke this sloping line to the upside, but instead of moving higher, it didn't have this movement. It retested pretty much the $1 mark right here, and it had a false breakout below this level, but immediately it bounced back. And this is quite interesting situation. I can see that potentially it is some kind of accumulation range, and in a minute I will show you what I'm talking about. But as you can see, technical analysis works perfectly well, and if you want to know more about technical analysis, if you want to receive a call to actions and my real trades on a pretty much risk-free 100% money-back guarantee offer, you can accept my offer with the Black Friday discount. And the only thing that you have to do is just to subscribe to my YouTube channel and join my Patreon account with limited time offer, Black Friday 50% discount. And guys, you've seen many of my trade calls, all delivering strong returns in just hours. Now it's your turn to trade smarter. Join my safe haven Patreon tier, built for traders who want consistency, structure, and real results. You will get a detailed plan to protect your portfolio, monthly one-on-one Zoom sessions with me, and private Discord access with all trade alerts, lessons, and exclusive updates. And here is the best part. If you don't earn more than your subscription price within 30 days, you will receive a full refund, no question asked, as long as your trading account balance is at least $2,500 and you've taken all the recommended trades during the period. No excuses, no fine print. You profit or you don't pay. Here are just a few of my trade results from the first half of October. But don't wait, this offer is available for a limited time only. Once the spots are filled, enrollment will close. Join today and let's start building your edge in the market.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed, born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up.
So guys, and on today's video I will show you quite interesting details about its price action, and I will show you the news that potentially might be the catalyst for this asset. First of all, I want to pay attention to this article that was published on keywordquantitative.com, and here is it was published basically just several days ago. It's titled Strive Asset Management Stock Opinions on Bitcoin Treasury Strategy. And here is quite interesting part. Strive Management insiders have traded ASST stock on the open market 4 times in the past 6 months. Of those trades, 1 have been purchased and 3 have been sales. And here's the breakdown of recent trading of ASST stock by insiders over the last 6 months. Vivek Ramaswamy, one of the famous politicians in the United States of America, purchased more than 15.6 thousand shares for an estimated $1.25 million. Michael Gobert, executive chairman, sold 30,000 shares for an estimated $223.215. And Matthew Krueger, CFO, Treasury and Secretary, has made 0 purchases and 2 sales, selling 26.4 thousand shares for an estimated $217.266. And guys, this data is a little bit outdated. If you take a look at the most recent activity of the so-called smart money investors, you can see that on November 17th we have this filing It is 13D amendment filing, and Vivek Ramaswamy purchased 113,877,929 shares, and for now he owns more than 15% of this company, and this is a substantial purchase, I would say. On top of that, guys, you can see that a lot of other major investors substantially added to their position or opened new positions, as you can see right here, and they own for now more than 5% of this entire company. And if you take a look at the most recent activity, you will also find a lot of new positions, and you can see that it is a filing data, and it is quite interesting. But wait a second, I will show you. If we zoom out to, let's say, 4 hours time frame, you can see that this company is publicly traded for quite a long period of time. If we zoom out even to a daily time frame, we can see it's very long price action. But take a look right here, again on the insider trading list. Wait a second. Here it is. The oldest filing was made on October 15th of this year, and all these filings are just the filing dates. The real deals happened in a previous quarter. And this means, guys, you can see that a lot of investors added to their new position, but they bought it with quite high prices in Q3. From July basically to end of September, the price of this asset was as high as pretty much $12.5 and as low as 88 cents. So definitely it is quite a weird activity, but at the same time, guys, let's continue with the technical analysis. And before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. Guys, you can see that well, we didn't and this asset didn't break $1 mark. It had an attempt to break it on a pre-market and after-market sessions, but it failed and it went back to the range in between $1 and $1.2 mark. And this is for now, this is two levels of support and resistances. I can mark it even with the horizontal channel. It is quite rare structure, but when the breakout happens, guys, we can anticipate the trend continuation. And if it breaks to the upside, most likely the movement to the upside will continue and it should retest this previous swing high at $1.67 or even this swing high at wait a second, at $1.83. But if it bounces back on the today's session, and let me remind you that today is the day where trading hours are not the usual. We have a short trading date. That is why, guys, be cautious with your position and wait for more confirmation. If it goes to the downside, in this case, you can try to accumulate your position, because in this case, your downside potential will be much lower rather than to accumulate your position from the current price. If it breaks to the upside and retests this range of support from the top and went higher and goes higher, in this case it will be a chance to enter your position on the breakout and to catch its next movement to the upside. And yes, for now it is very risky, and well, the only bullish catalyst is the list of institutional investors, but it is not the short-term catalyst. It is pretty much a medium and long-term sign that potentially this asset might go higher. On top of that, guys, if I add the price action of Bitcoin to this price chart, you can see that it is mimicking the price of Bitcoin. And if Bitcoin goes to the upside from the current level, and let's take a look what is the price for Bitcoin right now. It is around $90,000. Wait a second, I have to switch again to ASST stock. In this case, ASST will break this level and will continue its movement to the upside. But believe me, guys, Bitcoin, in my opinion, is in downtrend for now, and it already hit its all-time high for this bull cycle, and that is why be cautious with your position on ASST and on other Bitcoin related stocks. So I think that's all information that I want to provide you. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell, and see you guys and girls next time. Bye!
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, doing no cap.